Okay, I'm going to assemble a unit I got for the garage. It's for when you get rid of my, hang up my tools, especially like my drills. I was trying to find a place for the drills, a couple racks. I seen this on Amazon, and I like the looks of it. And I'm going to put it together for the heck of it. It doesn't look too complicated, but you can go right along with me. This is all the nuts and bolts, the screws, you know, so quite a few, but not terrible. And this is the framework. These are the two sides. You can see here the two sides, that's the first thing. And the bubble wrap, they're built well. Holy cow. I mean, they are sturdy, absolutely sturdy. Sturdy is putting it lightly, because this, oh yeah. These are super strong. They're going to hold drills. They can hold up to 3 drills. And of course, other things on the 2 shelves. It comes with these plates here. Let's kind of get everything out. These plates here, and I believe those go together on the sides when you put them together. So you can put screwdrivers and that in there, which I'm kind of counting on. This is actually all going in the garage, not here in my workshop. And here's some hooks that you can hook on there. It looks like they bring you everything. So we're gonna use it just out of the package. We're gonna assemble it just like it with all the pieces that they got here, that they gave us, you know, and they even gave us a wrench. And that's it. That's cool. Okay, cool. We got this. Now, this is the bottom rack. You know that from the experience of how the drills fit in. If they lock in here like this, it's going to be pretty cool. Oh my God, these are tough. These are really tough. These are far tougher than I anticipated. You'd think you could be able to get some sort of, this is a shelf, you'd think you could be able to get some sort of, I don't want to bend it, but I almost can't. I tell you, that's tough. That's encouraging. It's solid. I'm impressed. This is not built shabby. This is built strong. Okay, let me set this to the side. And I'm still going to hang the directions out here a little bit. Get rid of this. You know, play with that later. And here's all the screws. We'll open this up and get that ready to go. Because I think we're going to need those right there. Okay, now I think there's not really any complicated thing here, I don't think.